Does Haku move at the speed of light? Yes. Do other characters scale to him? Yes. In this video I'll fully break down Haku's speed and explain why Sasuke scaled to this said speed. For starters, we must first establish whether Haku moves at light speed. In chapter 24, Haku creates ice mirrors that he can access. It's made clear that those mirrors increase his speed. He's able to jump out of those mirrors at incredibly high speeds, being able to completely outspeed Sasuke. The same Sasuke that was faster than Haku's top speed before Haku started using this ability. And the same Sasuke that was also able to dodge all of Haku's projectiles and attacks prior to that, as well as move faster than Haku could see. From this we can conclude three things. Haku's ice mirror technique increases his movement speed, his attack speed, as well as the speed of his projectiles, and another thing, his reaction speed. In the next chapter we are told that Haku moves through mirror images or reflections, moving through them, which indicates that he moves at light speed as reflections move at the speed of light. This is further backed up by the data books, which state that Haku moves at light speed through his mirrors. What Haku says next confirms without a doubt that Haku was moving at light speed. Haku states that he moves so fast that Naruto and Sasuke appear to be standing still from his perspective. That's a phenomenon called time dilation. Time dilation is the principle that time is not experienced the same for everybody. Instead, time is relative. The faster you move through space, the slower time passes from your perspective. At 66% the speed of light, 1 second from your perspective will be the equivalent of 1.3 seconds from the perspective of another person. And the closer you get to the speed of light, the slower time gets to you. Once you reach the speed of light, time appears frozen. Does Sasuke scale to Haku's speed? Throughout the fight, Sasuke has been gaining speed. Both his reaction and perception speed were gradually increasing, to the point even Haku states that Sasuke is beginning to catch up to his own speed, and that if this keeps on going, he'll be at a disadvantage. Since Sasuke had already surpassed Haku's regular speed, this clearly refers to Haku's speed when he's moving through his mirrors. Is it possible that Haku was simply moving slower against Naruto and Sasuke on purpose? There is not a single mention of Haku being able to switch to a travel speed below that of the speed of light while moving through reflections. Even if we were to assume that Haku can travel at speeds other than c while moving through reflections, we know that Haku was still moving fast enough to experience frozen time. Going to the Innocent Heart Demonic Blood novel, we get an interesting statement. After Sasuke awakens the Sharingan, it's stated that before, Haku appeared to be moving faster than the speed of light. But now that Sasuke had the Sharingan, Haku appeared to be almost slow to Sasuke. This means that through the Sharingan, Sasuke's perception speed was upped to the point where Haku wasn't all that fast for Sasuke, which is directly proven by the fact that Sasuke was able to outspeed Haku in that instance. This also proves two things. First is that while Haku moves at light speed, his attacks are even faster than that. How do you make sense out of this? Let's use an example. The average adult male can run at 8 miles per hour, but they can also strike at 15 miles per hour. While Haku moves from point A to point B at light speed, he can still strike faster than this with his arms, which explains why the novel states that Haku was moving faster than the speed of light. This is also demonstrated when Haku throws needles and they reach the target faster than Haku himself, despite the fact that he's moving through a reflection. The second thing the novel proves is that throughout the fight, Haku has been striking at faster than light speeds, so the attacks Sasuke was able to partially perceive and the attacks Sasuke managed to narrowly avoid were faster than light.